Hey, what is going on everyone? Ken, also known as Wiltshire here, and today I'll be unboxing the Ultra X4 1050 watt power supply for you guys. With that said, let's jump into the unboxing. Let's start off the left side of the box, shall we? The left side of the box states that it has a solid support with 3-year standard and lifetime warranty upon registration of the X4, hassle-free installation because of Ultra's patent modular design, as well as protecting your investment of your computer because it's an integrated short circuit protection, so if your computer overloads on power, your computer parts will be perfectly fine, as well as a 135mm fan. Moving on over to the other side of the box. The other side of the box shows us what's included in the box. What's included is the Ultra X4 power supply, the thumb screws, the silicone vibration dampener, the cable carrying case, your 24-pin motherboard power cable, your 4-pin motherboard power cable, your 8-pin motherboard power cable, 4 4-pin Molex power cables, 2 4-pin floppy power cables, 4 SATA power cables, 1 case fan power cable, 3 6-pin PCI cables, and 3 8-pin PCI cables. It also shows a diagram of the included connectors in the box. Shifting on over to the back of the box, on the right of the box, you'll see the diagrams of the cable carrying case, the Ultra X4 power supply, the silicone vibration dampener, and the thumb screws. The back of the box also shows us the max output current, the max combined wattage, the total output power, which is 1050 watts under a full load, as well as the efficiency, which is 88% at a typical load. It also shows us the input of the input voltage, the input frequency, and the input current. And last, that the 135mm fan has dedicated circuitry to keep the noise level low. Let's go ahead and unbox this black sexy beast. Now with the box open, the first thing you'll see is the instruction manual. What's underneath the instruction manual is the silicone vibration dampener, as well as some zip ties and the thumb screws, as well as some other screws if you choose to screw in the power supply instead of using the thumb screws. You'll have to excuse me, but for some strange reason I couldn't hold on to the vibration dampener. I'm just going to set everything aside here so it doesn't get in the way. To the right of the box, there is another box. This contains the cable carrying case with the cables in it. So let's pull this bad boy out. Last but certainly not least, under the styrofoam insulation, we have the Ultra X4 1050 watt power supply. This is what everyone came to see. The very first item that came out of the box and what we'll have a look at is the installation or the user's manual. In here we'll find the registration card for your Ultra X4, as well as some installation instructions, as well as some specifications and more specifications and more specifications. Some boring stuff, but it's here if you guys want to have a look at it. We also have the black zip ties that Ultra was kind enough to give us for some cabling management. Next up, we have the normal screws if you want to screw in your power supply with the normal screws, as well as the thumb screws, and I've never seen a power supply that comes with thumb screws, so that's quite appreciated. Let's move on to the main attraction, the Ultra X4 1050 watt power supply. Here I'll show you guys what the vibration dampener looks like when it's installed on the X4. On the bottom of the power supply, we have the 135mm fan. It looks quite nice if you ask me. On the top of the power supply, we have a bunch of stickers. The first sticker is the 80+, which certifies that our power supply will give us more than 80% efficiency, as well as the ATI Crossfire X sticker, as well as the NVIDIA SLI sticker, the limited warranty sticker, and the chart that we saw in the instruction manual. As we move to the front of the X4, you can see that we have the female cable connectors, and here you can choose whatever cable you feel like using on your power supply. We have one thing left to unbox, and that is the cable carrying case with the cables inside, so let's unbox this bad boy. Alright, so I've taken the cables out of the carrying case, and this is what the cables look like. Now, I'm not going to name them all off again because I really don't want to. So, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my boxing of the X4 1050 watt power supply, and if you guys like the video, please leave me a like or subscribe. I'd very much appreciate that, and I'm going to let Approaching Nirvana take me home. I'll see you later, guys.